guys, my name is Kiara and I am a full-time Etsy seller. I wanted to at first mention that I also do have several streams of income, so this is not my only day job. I have made an amazing amount of money with my first year of selling on Etsy, and I wanted to show you guys how you can do it too. I'm just going to show you guys which category I'm in because I am in the jewelry niche. This is a solid gold necklace with pearls. So yeah, it's one of the more expensive items on my shop. This is my first video, so I'm super nervous. I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. So please bear with me while I figure out, obviously, sound, video, where to look, etc. I'm just starting out, so please be kind. A little backstory on my Etsy store. I started selling on Etsy in 2021. I opened my store in December 13th, I believe, and I had my first sale about 2 days later. We all know that Etsy pushes new stores because they want you to stay on the app or on the website. Sales continued increasing and my store got shut down on the 22nd of December, which wasn't bad at all because nothing could have shipped afterwards would have arrived in time for Christmas. My store was then reactivated again on the 28th, and then now I can obviously track how much I made in the entire year of 2022, which was 70,000 euros, which is around 75,000 US dollars. That is insane for a first year of my business. I had a lot of luck because a couple of my products became bestsellers practically off the gate. So that's obviously great if you have an item which just takes off. They were selling and still are constantly my bestsellers. So there's a little bit of luck in that as well. What I did was also that I started upping my ad budget. So Etsy lets you spend money on ads. So if someone clicks onto your product, you pay for that click. I started with an ad budget of around $5 a day because I was very cautious and I didn't want to spend a lot of money. And then I upped it up, slowly up to 10, then 15, 25, 50. And then I kind of settled at around $100 a day, because that's quite a chunk of money, and if Etsy was to always spend $100 a day, then my business would not have been profitable at all. So this month I'm actually gonna do the exact opposite of what I did in my first year. I'm gonna go all out. I'm gonna up my Etsy store budget for ads to $8,000 a day. I know, I can't believe it as well. So I'm actually gonna go into my storefront because I've got my computer right in front of me, and I'm gonna go to marketing. Then I'm gonna click on the Etsy ads and click on manage your budget. And I'm now gonna change it to $8,000 a day. This is not clickbait because I obviously want to see what will happen with my store, if Etsy is gonna rank me a bit higher in general, just because I'm willing to spend $1,000 a day. So this is actually gonna be a super interesting thing also to see how many orders it actually does bring in, because obviously I had a budget of $100 before. So I'm just gonna try this and then kind of update you guys every single day what orders came in, what happened. Is Etsy spending more than 100, 500, which I don't think so, because Etsy has never had actually my ad spend go over. It's always been under, except I believe on 2-3 days in November, but that's kind of common because obviously a lot of people are shopping for Christmas. I'm so excited and it's gonna be very interesting. I hope you guys like this video. I'm just gonna keep it short and sweet, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video tomorrow. Bye.